Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Sun Academy. In this lecture we are going to solve two questions of coordinate geometry in statistics. As you can see, the questions are: find the equation of line passing through 4, 2 and parallel to 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. Now point is given 4, 2, that means x1, y1. We have to find the line which is parallel to this line. Now to find the line we need slope. We already have a point. So how we will find the slope? We will find the slope of this line. So this line will be converted into y is equal to mx plus c. Now converting this line in this form, y is equal to mx plus c, here we can see that 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. Now bring 2y to opposite to the equal to and 5 to this side. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 2y. That means 2y is equal to 3x minus 5. So y is equal to 3x by 2 minus 5 by 2. Comparing this with y is equal to mx plus c, we can say that so m will be 3 by 2. Now slope of this line and line which is passing through 4, 2 will be same as both lines are parallel. So slope of this line will also be 3 by 2. Now formula for that is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. We already have point and we needed slope which we brought from this equation. Now y minus y1 is equal to 2, m is 3 by 2, x minus x1 is 4. 2 will multiply with y minus 2, 3x minus 4. So 2y minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 12. Bring 12 to this side. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 8 will be the required equation. Now we come to second question, that is find the equation of the line passing through 5, 7 and perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we already have a point 5, 7 and we need slope to find our line. Now we will find the slope from this line. 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. We will convert this line in form of y is equal to mx plus c. So y will be kept here and 5 will be brought to opposite side. So this will become 3y is equal to minus 5 minus 2x. That means minus 2x minus 5. So y will be minus 2x upon 3 minus 5 by 3. Now you can see that this line has been converted in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Comparing this, m is equal to minus 2 by 3. But this line is perpendicular to line which is to be found. So slope of this line, slope of needed line will be, sign will be changed and it will be inverted. Now formula is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. slope we found is 3 by 2 and point x1 is 5, y1 is 7. Y minus y1, that means 7, is equal to m is 3 by 2 x minus 5. 2 will come to multiply with y minus 7 and 3 to x minus 5. So 2y minus 14 is equal to 3x minus 15. 15 will come to this side. 15 minus 14 is equal to 3x minus 2y. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 will be the required equation. Now if I write question 3, find the equation of the line passing through 1, 3 and parallel to 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Now we have point 1, 3, that means x1, y1. We need slope m. This line will be converted to y is equal to mx plus c, that means 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 4, y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 4 by 3. So slope will be minus 2 by 3 because both lines are parallel. Now formula for required line is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, as we have slope and point. So required line will be y minus 3 is equal to m is minus 2 by 3 x minus x1 is 3. 3 will multiply to y minus 3 minus 2x minus minus plus 2. This will become 3y minus 9 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. 3y plus 2x is equal to 2 plus 9. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 will be the required equation for this line. Now if you want to learn more and more questions for this chapter, be with us. If you are following, do continue. If you have subscribed, share the link of my videos. If you haven't still subscribed, do subscribe. Another one point, save water, as water is very precious. No doubt it is free, but after few years coming generations will have to pay more and more money for water.